Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have an unboxing of the newly released Travis Scott Air Force Ones. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick breakdown of the shoe, the box, and yeah, just a quick review. So hope you guys enjoy and let's get right into it. First thing we want to get into is the box itself. Just an all-white box, says Air Force on the top, and then on the label we have Air Force One Low Travis Scott. And then the colorway is Sail Gum Light Brown. So nothing really special with the box. Again, one thing I've been disappointed with Nike about lately is the, lack of creativity on the boxes. So you can just pull it out, and then we just have the shoes inside. So the paper just says Force on it, and then once we open that, we have the Travis Scott and the extra swooshes. I do believe these are the same exact swooshes as that came as the OG white pair, so no difference there, but really dope. I do like how they did a swoosh for each side of the sneakers, so it's not just like two of these and then two of these. It's actually four, so pretty good job on that. And then getting right into the sneakers themselves. So really similar to the OG white pair, but you guys could see a sail tint on it, and that's pretty much like a off-white cream colorway that Nike, refers to with the term sail. So the swoosh that comes on it is this metallic silver one, and then I'll show you guys how to put on the other ones really quick. But let's get into a quick review of the actual sneaker right now. So here we have the Cactus Jack patch on it. This is actually removable. You could take it off like this. Right now I'm choosing to leave it on. And then going down we have the metallic grills right here, and the Cactus Jack logo, and we have a Nike swoosh. And then getting right into the toe box, medial side just says Air, like every other Air Force. And then here we have Nike Air upside down on the heel tab. And then over here once again we have the Nike Air upside down. So on the surface really there's not much Travis Scott labeling or anything. It's just a Cactus Jack here. If you're like a Travis Scott fan, you know what that is. But on the insoles it does actually have his name. And a lot of shoe brands actually do this. They just keep the labeling on the insole. So it says Scott reversed on this one. And then the other pair is going to say Travis. So let's look at that. Again, it's reversed. So, and then on this pair, again, the patch is just like the Cactus Jack patch. Again, his actual name's not really on it. And then once again, we have the grills. So I'm probably going to take these off later on, but I'm going to leave the grills on because I think it looks good with the swoosh. So that's just a quick review of the sneaker. Let me show you guys one more time of how it looks so you guys see. Also, I forgot to mention there's like silver tips on the laces. I'll show you guys how to put on the different swooshes right now. Really simple, not a hard process at all. So what you want to do is, let's say we have this pair. So what you want to do is just see which swoosh lines up with it. So it's going to be this one and this one. So we just take those off. They remove really easily. So that's one. So, and then here again, you gotta be careful so you don't damage the swooshes itself, but the actual patch is never gonna lose its stickiness or whatever. So after you do that, what you want to do is just place them. So even if it touches a little bit of this part, it's gonna stick. So like that. And then we have the fire one. And lastly, we're gonna put this one. So yeah, there you have it. That's how you put on the different swooshes on it. My intention is to leave this on and probably put this on top of it. This one I'm not really feeling too much. I feel like it's a little bit too shiny for me. A little bit, doesn't really go well with the color in my opinion. But to each their own. So what I want to do is just put it like this and just like adjust these a little bit. So I think these two really match up well with each other and the colorway. But yeah, overall a really dope sneaker. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you guys, you know, are able to make a decision whether you want them or not. In terms of fake pairs, I do not think the fakes have hit the markets yet, so you should be good in terms of that. Even if they have, I don't think they're going to be close to the real ones yet. But yeah, overall, really dope sneaker. Really sick collab. I do hope to see a black colorway come out soon. I think that'd be really dope. But yeah, besides that, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and liked the shoe. If you did, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more.